Today we're going to take a look at the company and the team settings inside of Tradeshift and the various adjustments and customizations you can make. Here on my screen, I'm logged in as an admin level account. You can verify this by saying company settings, and that's exactly where we're going to click to get started. So when you click into company settings, here's a couple of company-wide settings that you can set up. Most notably, the ability to enable receipt uploads if you want your team to be capturing receipts within the Tradeshift platform. You can also use this button to add in any other administrative users that will have company-wide access. In the top row, you'll have your teams, your source cards, and your accounting code management. If you click in source cards, it'll show you all of the physical cards that have been linked on the Tradeshift platform. And with the buttons here, you can choose which teams that you've set up have access to which physical cards. Accounting codes are also able to be edited and customized from the company settings or the admin level account. You can simply choose your coding list. The coding entry is the field that's visible on the actual virtual card request form. The unique identifier is going to be paired with the entry, and that'll be visible in the back-end reporting that's downloadable. And you can also limit which teams have access to which codes. Just click the button here and then pick whichever teams you want. And that goes for both of the different coding lists here that we have set up in this demo environment. Once you have your codes all entered and everything's ready to launch, you just click this little publish button, and then you're good to go there. Now, I'm switching over to the view from a team owner perspective. A team owner essentially has administrative capability, but only within one particular team or whichever teams they're a team owner on. So here you can see I'm a team owner with the sales team selected. And if I go into the team settings, it'll give me access to the source cards specifically on the sales team. If I click into people, this is where I can invite other users to my team and set their permissions. The permission levels are a team member, a manager, or another team owner. And then the accounting codes cannot be edited from the team owner. That can only be edited from the company settings, but you do see which accounting codes this team has access to.